Transform your week with healthy meal prep ideas. Discover the transformative benefits of weekly meal prep. By dedicating a few hours each week, you can enjoy a healthier lifestyle, save time, and reduce stress around mealtime. Meal prep is the practice of preparing meals in advance. It helps maintain a balanced diet by ensuring you have nutritious options readily available, reducing the temptation for unhealthy choices. Advantages of meal prep include saving time during busy weekdays, being cost-efficient by buying in bulk, and ensuring proper portion control, which supports weight management and overall health. To get started with meal prep, you'll need essential tools such as quality containers, a reliable knife, cutting boards, and meal prep planners to organize your cooking sessions effectively. Planning meals involves creating a week's worth of menus that cater to your nutritional needs. Focus on incorporating a variety of proteins, vegetables, and whole grains to ensure a balanced diet. Creating a comprehensive shopping list is crucial for effective meal prepping. Focus on whole foods and choose fresh, seasonal produce. Plan your list around your meal plan to avoid unnecessary purchases. Proper storage is key to keeping your prepped meals fresh. Use airtight containers to maintain quality and prevent spoilage. Glass containers are ideal for reheating, while BPA-free plastic ones work well for portability. Let's start with the meal prep ideas. Kickstart your day with easy, nutritious breakfast options. Overnight oats with fresh fruits, smoothie packs, or egg muffins are quick to prepare and ensure you start your morning on a healthy note. For lunch, opt for balanced, delicious recipes like quinoa salads, veggie wraps, or grain bowls. These meals are easy to prepare in bulk and can be customized with various proteins and vegetables. Dinner can be both healthy and simple. Consider dishes like sheet pan chicken with roasted veggies, stir-fried tofu with broccoli, baked salmon with quinoa, or any other food that is high in protein and moderate in carbs. These recipes are perfect for weeknight meals. Preparing healthy snacks in advance is key to combating cravings and staying on track. Opt for options like sliced veggies with hummus, mixed nuts, or homemade granola bars for quick, nutritious bites. Batch cooking can be a game changer for those with busy schedules. Cook large portions of staples like grains, proteins, and veggies, then mix and match them throughout the week for variety. Portion control. Accurate portion control ensures you consume the right amount of nutrients without overeating. Use measuring cups or a food scale to portion out meals, helping to maintain a balanced and healthy diet. Balancing nutrients in meals is essential for overall health. Aim to include a mix of protein, 40%, carbohydrates, 40%, and healthy fats, 20%, in every meal to keep energy levels steady and satisfy hunger. Seasonal ingredients not only taste better, but are also more nutritious. Incorporate fruits and vegetables that are in season to enhance the flavor of your meals while benefiting from peak nutrient levels. Meal prepping for special diets requires careful planning and ingredient selection to ensure all dietary restrictions are met. Vegan, gluten-free, and keto options can be easily incorporated with thoughtful preparation and creativity. Common mistakes in staying motivated. Common meal prep mistakes include overcooking food, not varying meals, and improper storage. To avoid these, cook meals just right, mix up your menu, and use airtight containers for freshness. Staying motivated can be challenging, but setting realistic goals and celebrating small victories helps. Join meal prep communities online for inspiration, tips, and support to keep you on track. Real-life examples of successful meal preppers can serve as a powerful motivator. Stories of individuals who transformed their health through meal prep can inspire others to start their journey. Start your meal prep journey today and share your experiences and tips in the comments. Your story could inspire others to embrace a healthier lifestyle through the power of meal prepping. Thank you for watching video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for other life hacks.